Hey guys, Sam from BBQ here, and today I'm making a buffalo sauce for buffalo chicken wings or burgers or whatever you want to put it on. So let's get into it. So here I've got my cast iron skillet on the Pit Boss pellet grill. I've got the flame door open, so it's still got heaps of that smoke, but it's kind of a direct heat on that skillet. So to the skillet, I'm going to add half a cup of just melted butter. That skillet is hot. You don't want it too hot, otherwise you will burn the butter. Just warm enough to basically just keep that butter melted. And to the butter, I'm going to add half a cup of Frank's hot sauce, and I'll give that a good stir up. If you haven't got the Frank's hot sauce, you can just use any hot sauce as long as it hasn't got sort of too many other flavors to it. Add a pinch, sriracha will work as well. And now just using a whisk, give that a good mix up. To that mixture, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and just a pinch of garlic. Get it all in there. And just give that a good mix up. So now you've basically got your buffalo sauce. All you need to do now is just let it cool down a little bit and then put it into a sauce bottle and then go ahead and put it on whatever you want. So the buffalo sauce is awesome on chicken wings. That's where the buffalo chicken wings comes from. I'm just using chicken tenders, putting them on a burger, putting heaps of that homemade buffalo sauce on them. Really spicy, lots of flavor to it. And look at that for a burger. Bit of blue cheese in there to mimic that blue cheese dressing that you'd typically have with a buffalo chicken wings. Just awesome. So there you have it. That's how to make buffalo sauce. Super simple, really tasty. That hot sauce adds just a little bit of heat to it. You can spice that up as much as you want. The Frank's Red Hot is pretty hot, but you can use basically whatever sauce you want on there. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. That way you won't miss out on any future videos, and we'll see you again next time.